welcome. It's Dennis and Doodle, and today we're going to be looking at Haunt 31.
And if you just clicked on this is just the beginning. Be sure to stick around to the end to see how insane this home haunt is, how many props they have, and how many customizations they make.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to Haunt 31. I'm your host, your ghost host.
Haunt 31 is actually very, very famous in our area, and there's a lot of photo ops and places that you can go. So if you're anywhere near Haunt 31, you should definitely check it out and go.
This has been an annual tradition for Mom and I for many years, even before Son was born. But now it's a family tradition, and we go every year. We absolutely love it. From the fact that they make a majority of their custom props and animatronics, to the actors, to the crowds, be sure to carve out a good chunk of time so you can see it all, interact with the people, have discussions. It's an absolute blast. Now this is just one side of the garage. There is the full front, inside the garage, and so much more to see. But I don't know if you saw the tombstone in the background, but it said to be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that like because it helps the channel a ton. Now we're going to go inside the garage, and I don't know if this is permanently set up year-round, but they deck this out and make the garage a full walkthrough, which is really awesome. It has some unique touches, a ton of animatronics, and the lighting is amazing. I won't give it away if you tend to visit, but be sure to watch what comes from the ceiling. This is one of the simpler props on the premises, but I absolutely love this infinity shaft. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below what some of your favorite features are, whether it be a prop, decor, animatronic, pneumatic, you name it. Tell us in the comments below what your favorite parts are. After exiting the garage, you come to the front walkway. Now, this brings you to the centerpiece of the haunt, which is the flying vampire. But be sure to pick one direction to view because there is so much to see, and even the inside of the house is decorated. So the windows are open and the shades are drawn so you can see in there. Make a second lap so you can look the other direction on your next pass through so you don't miss anything. As we make it up the other side of the house, where there's even more tucked in, and we haven't even made it to the front of the house or the tree banks, you can hear in the background somebody is pretty upset. Now, that's because this place is extremely intense and can be overstimulating and scary for some. So be sure to only enter the pathways and go into the main parts where there's actors and really intense live animatronics if that's something that you enjoy. Son and I, we absolutely love this stuff. We are Halloween freaks, so if you enjoy this as well, hit that subscribe because you found the right channel. So right here, I heeded my own advice about the front walkway, and I came back around, and now we're filming in the other direction so you can see looking out towards the street. From there, we're going to head down to the sidewalk and show you the full front of the haunt, and this is the main part of the front yard.
Before this night is done, you will understand Almighty God. Some of you lost in the farmland of desolation. You are present in power with Michigan, over there. That is the scariest costume I have ever seen.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to Haunt 31. I am your host, your ghost host.
Now we're going to sweep around the tree banks or parkway, depending on where you're from. Let us know in the comments what you call it. We call it a tree bank. And you'll see a lot of actors roaming here, but you'll also see photo ops. Now, Son and I have been using the coffin photo op since the day he was old enough to come. So based on his birth date, he was a few months old when we came here. But we've been doing one every year there, and so we have year after year built up, which is awesome that they do that for their visitors.
So this is the graveyard kind of over here in this area, and I really like how almost everything's like moving and nothing's just really like still, besides, well, of course, the tombstones, but even the tombstones, most of them are actually moving.
There is so much in this haunt that it actually adjoins their neighbor's property, and so it goes house to house. So this is the same side of the garage, but if you notice, it actually touches the neighbors as well. So you have to walk up from the neighbor's driveway to check that out.
I really like this prop on the roof because like it just looks like it's actually flying, even though we know it's not. And it just looks so cool. So that's my opinion. Put down in the comments below what you think of it.
If you want more Halloween, start with the playlist right here. Otherwise, YouTube thinks you'll really like this video, so go ahead and check that one out.
Well, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please liking, subscribing, turning on notifications, sharing this video to anybody. Thank you and enjoy.